In today's video, I am going to tell you guys if this contraption here, also known as the silicone makeup sponge, is actually worth it. Does it work? Is it any good? You want to find out? Stay tuned for the video. Hey babies! Thank you for tuning in. It's Kimberly and I am fresh and so ready for this video today because I am fully rested from my beautiful, gorgeous, fabulous cruise vacation. It was just what I needed and now I'm back and I'm energized and I'm ready to get the party going. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Kimberly and I do videos on beauty, fashion, and a teensy tiny bit of fitness. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified each time I post a new video. I post a new video every Friday, so you have a whole weekend to check it out. And today's video is going to be about the silicone makeup sponge. Yes, you might have seen them in the store. There's all kinds of different kinds, and this one had glitters on it, and you guys know how I am about glitter. I love me anything that blings. I haven't opened it yet. I don't know if it's any good, so today I'm going to try it out, and we're gonna see if it's actually a good purchase or not. And if not, well, it's always nice to have a little bling, you know. But yeah, so let's see if this is a yay or a nay. Normally, I use a beauty blender, a brush, or even my hands when I'm in a rush to apply my foundation. Now, it's always nice to try new products, especially if they're really good. So today I am going to try this and I have no idea, guys. This is by the brand Face Secrets. Never heard of them. This is not sponsored or anything. I just grabbed it in the store. The benefits of using a silicone sponge is that it doesn't absorb any product, so you get a longer life out of your foundation and your lotions or whatever you apply with it. And also, it's easy to clean. I do not like cleaning these little suckers, and you might have seen my hack video that I had for cleaning them. If not, check out the link up here and go check out that video because it will make your life so much easier. Now, this doesn't require any cleaning. You just wash it with soap and water, dry it off, and you're good to go. So yeah, you're supposed to replace these every 3 months if you use it regularly, yes. And this, they say, lasts 3 times longer. So yeah, we'll see how it does. For the record, I'm not wearing anything, just my day cream and all that stuff, but no makeup or whatever. So let's take it out. Ooh, it's very squishy. It's squishy and it feels like a chicken cutlet. All you girls know about chicken cutlets, the ones that you put into your bra and stuff. That's kind of the similar. I think actually this is almost like silicone for breast implants. I'm not sure, but you know, don't quote me on that. Okay, so let me give you guys a close up. This is it. They have different kinds, so I just got the blingy one, but they have a clear one and they got all kinds of different kinds. And let me just squeeze it a little so you guys can see. Bendy, it's very bendy. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. Now I'm gonna start first by applying a primer, and I'm just using the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, which was my go-to during my cruise because it was so humid in the Caribbean that, you know, my face would just turn into an oil slick. So I needed something that would keep it matte, and this was like my go-to every day. The first day I didn't wear it and my skin was like, whoa. I'm gonna use CoverGirl's True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the shade T80. This is a shade I haven't used before, so I just wanted to see if it matches my skin tone or if it's any good. So yeah, so let's try it. So it says you have to dip it or put it on there. Here we go. Let's start here. Okay, it just bends into the creases and stuff. That's kind of nice. And then it said to blend it. So okay. I guess you're supposed to do your ears too, but let's just keep it going. It feels soft on your skin. It doesn't feel like weird or anything. It might look a little weird, but we're just gonna keep going, and let me just do my full face and see what happens. So let's go over here. So I did this side of my face and this side, and I used 2 drops of foundation so far. Normally I use a whole lot more, so I have to say that is a plus. And the drops are small. They're only like this. I only put like this much product. And because it really like spreads out all the product, you notice that you're using a whole lot less than if you were using a beauty blender. So I gotta give it that. That absolutely works. One more drop, because I still need to do my neck. See how it just wipes? You can just wipe it on. I'd say it does a pretty good job. This foundation, I think it kind of makes me look yellow. So I applied 1 layer with the silicone sponge, and I kid you not, guys, it's clean. There is like nothing on it. Everything that I put on here is on my face right now. I don't know if I'm supposed to be happy about that, because I kind of like wearing less product, but I don't know. With the beauty blender, you actually get the idea that you have a semi-natural look, because it kind of absorbs the product and it leaves like a sheen, because generally I use it moist. But yeah. Getting into creases and stuff is a little difficult. Like I did my eyebrows, but it's hard to go around them because it's, you know, just difficult with the shape, although it does fit perfectly on your eyes. I'm going to apply 1 more layer just because, you know, to give it a chance. Let's try 1 more layer. So putting a drop on here. The silicone makeup sponge. Do I think it's a yay or a nay? I am somewhere in between. I like that it saves you product. I like the way it looks. I love the little glitters in there and stuff. It's all cute and stuff. But I do not like the way it's hard to get into the corners. Like you can bend it like this and try to get, you know, in the corners here and around your nose and stuff. But that's a little tricky. It feels like you're absolutely not wasting product because everything is on my face right now that was on here. If I had to pick, I would stick with my sponge, simply because it absorbs the product a little more so you don't feel like you're wearing all the foundation on your face. Also, the sponge is easier to maneuver. Like if you want to dab in the corner of your eye, you can just dab it in there. This makes dabbing difficult because it's not as flexible. And if you're using an expensive foundation, I can see how you don't want to waste any product, so it might come in handy there. Would I recommend switching from this to this? No. Maybe if you want to be cute and you want to be different and stuff, it's cute, but I would not switch. That was my little review. I hope, it was fun for you to watch. I hope it was handy. Let me know what you think. What do you use to apply your foundation? Have you used this before, a silicone sponge? And if so, what did you think of it? Leave me a comment below to let me know. I always want to know what you guys think. So that was my video for this Friday. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a big fat thumbs up if you did. And I'll see you guys again next Friday.